It is another week and we have been so busy. We've been eating out a lot. And so now we're going to do our menu this week by cutting back. We are starting in the fridge first. That's where we're going to find most of our food, as well as the freezer. And that's how we're going to cut back on the budget. We're going to cut back on our diets because eating at home is fresher and better. And so we're going to do those things and make our meals according to what we already have. Let's get started. Removed everything out of our produce drawer and look at all of that. All right, I'm gonna organize it and we're gonna assess what we can make this week with all of this. So I got some organization done here and now I can come up with the menu. So starting here, I have all the ingredients to make guacamole, and we have enough cucumbers that we can use those as our chips. So nice and refreshing, nice homemade guacamole. That's gonna be so good. I have these ribs, these beef ribs in the freezer, pulled those out. I'm gonna make them with this asparagus and roasted mushrooms. I'm not sure how I'll cook these yet, in the air fryer probably, and just season them up. That'd be great, or the grill. And then I'm gonna make a trifle salad. So I have these romaine, these lettuce, 2 lettuce heads, and gonna chop those up. Got plenty of cucumbers, green onions, some salad dressing. I'm thinking about a roasted, I'm not sure about this. I do have some chicken thighs. I wondered if I had this crushed tomatoes with this alouette garlic and herb cheese, make like a very rich creamy sauce, put our chicken thighs in there, serve it up with some broccoli. That might be a great dinner, hearty dinner. I have these ingredients that I got to use up, and I'm going to make my breakfast hash with my turkey breakfast sausage, mushrooms, and spinach, and make that up. And we'll have that for some of my breakfast this week. And then we also have pork ribs. So I love pork ribs with sauerkraut, and we have just enough sauerkraut to dump that in a crock pot. And I have these leftover radishes. So they're almost like a potato, and they would be great in this meal as well. I need some sort of seasoning packet, so I may have to see what seasonings I could whip up. I usually make it with the Lipton onion soup mix, but maybe I can find all the seasonings and make it on my own. We managed to come up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals, if you also count that guacamole as a side. So excellent job. I'll keep going into the freezer. I know there's some shrimp in there and other things, but this is going to get us not having to spend money to make all these meals.
So one of my go-to favorite things to make whenever I have a lot of produce left over is a layered salad, but I don't make any layered salad. It's going to be in my favorite trifle dish. I have a little bit of an obsession with my trifle dish, but it's just because it's so successful with my family. They love eating these, every single one I've ever made. And this time for the protein, I'm actually going to use turkey burgers that have been frozen, and I don't even have to defrost them. They'll just go right into my pan, completely frozen, and I'm going to heat them through.
And once they are cooked, I'll crumble them up and they'll be a great layer to add to our salad. While our turkey burgers are cooking, I'm gonna start layering up. We're gonna start with our romaine lettuce. A nice layer of that at the base. Then we're gonna go with our red layer. We're gonna do our tomatoes. Next, I'll add cucumbers. I like having the slices around the edge, builds height, and it's a good visual. I'm gonna add a little more lettuce into the middle, just to keep that layers the right height. For our dressing, I'm gonna make a lime crema. So I'm using the rest of this sour cream, and I'm gonna add a little bit more in here and use this as my mixing bowl. I'm gonna add to it lime juice, about 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of salt, and some tahini. This is a wonderful seasoning. It's gonna go so well with all of my flavors of this salad. About 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna mix that up, and if we need more of anything, we'll just do it to consistency. We want it smooth, but a little bit on the liquid side because we want it to spread evenly on our salad. So I think we're actually good. Maybe we can thin that out just a smidge. Either a little, I'm just gonna do a little lime juice, and I'm gonna add a splash of milk. Just a little more.
Now that my meat is all cooked through, I'm going to take my mix and chop and I'm going to crumble all of the meat into little pieces so they're perfect for the salad.
All right, I'm gonna add my turkey burgers that are all chopped. I'll let it cool just a little bit. It is seasoned so nicely. I like that I didn't have to do anything but just heat those up. You could have also done it on the grill. Which in the future, when I make these, I will be doing it on the grill. But for our salad, this was simple. Just throw them in the pan. Before my avocados, I'm actually gonna do our lime crema. I actually think that's gonna look really nice and contrasting. Put some avocado in the middle here. Now we're gonna add some salsa. I drained all the liquid out. I'm gonna add this. Just fill the middle with more lettuce so our layers stay even again. That worked out well. So I'm just gonna add some of our green onions on top. And I'm gonna do a few tomatoes for garnish and to have a pop of color on here. Look at all those great layers. We have a nice sour cream, creamy dip that is gonna be great when you go into all this, all the crunch, different textures, different colors, different flavors, and that wonderful turkey burger layer is gonna be such a surprise and a great flavor profile when you get a big scoop of this salad.
I think it turned out great, as did my son and my husband, especially when my son got home and saw that this was what's for dinner.
Every time you make a trifle salad, it's fantastic.
Within minutes, half of it's gone. I imagine the rest of it will be gone in just a few more minutes. It is delicious. All those flavors. I love the turkey burgers. They are seasoned wonderfully, goes so well with everything. So tasty.
If you want to catch more of my obsession with this trifle dish, you can check out that video that I'll leave on the screen here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.